How can you prevent oil from expiring?
Hello everyone! In today's discussion, we'll be focusing on something very crucial for all home cooks: how to prevent your oil from expiring. We all know that oil, especially the kinds we use for cooking, can go bad if not stored or handled properly. But don't worry, there are effective methods to prolong the shelf life of your oil.
Why does oil expire?
Before we delve into the strategies to prevent oil from expiring, it's important to understand why oil expires in the first place. The primary reason is oxidation. When oil is exposed to air, it undergoes a chemical reaction that leads to rancidity. This process is expedited by exposure to light and heat. Rancid oil not only tastes bad but can also be harmful to your health.
What are the indicators of expired oil?
Detecting expired oil can be tricky. Usually, change in color, smell, and taste are the main indicators. If the oil has a strong, unpleasant odor, a dark color, or a bitter taste, it's probably expired.
How can you prevent oil from expiring?
Now, let's talk about the ways to prevent oil from expiring. Proper storage first. You need to store the oil properly. Keep it in a cool, dark place, preferably in a tightly sealed, opaque container. Avoid storing oil near heat sources like the stove or oven. Limit exposure to air. Secondly, limit the oil's exposure to air. Each time you use the oil, make sure to close the container immediately. This reduces the chance of oxidation. Use antioxidants. Finally, some oils contain natural antioxidants that can help to prolong their shelf life. Examples of these include extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. If the oil you're using doesn't have natural antioxidants, you can add some yourself. For instance, adding a bit of vitamin E can help to extend the shelf life of your oil. So, there you have it, folks. Now you have a better understanding of why oil expires and the ways you can prevent it. Remember, proper storage and handling of oil can not only save you money but also ensure the taste and healthiness of your meals. Happy cooking!